can start MySQL server in your system. So at first you need to go to uh, from the top you can go to your application, and there have gem folder. So in gem folder you have to install gem first, then you can see in the gem files there inside have another files name manager OS app. So when you click on it, their system will ask user password. So after input the user password, you can see a new window that you just go there, manage server, then just click on MySQL database. So all the button is just showing red color. So after click on it, when it will show green color, that means the status is running and is working. So here I show you MySQL database and Apache web server start. So when you want to stop, just click on it stop. Thank you for watching.